y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Ivandunde, and yeah, happy new year to everyone. This is the first video that I'm doing this year, so we are super grateful for that. Now you see me in the store. This is the second time I'm actually recording in the store because at the shop there's no space. So anyway, some new goods have arrived and I wanted to do an unboxing with you so that we can see what just came in. Last time the air fryers, the blenders, a few things came in, well, close to the same amount of things that have arrived today, and they were many. Now this time round, almost, yeah, in fact the last time, in fact I have paid the same amount, almost the same amount of money, maybe difference here 2,000. So yeah, the first thing is I'm opening the box. This is really nice, and I love this is finally here. These are serviette holders. Hey, these serviette holders, so they are cute. Anyway, now what I need to do is tell guys how much freight is, but these are so gorgeous. Do you see that? And the quality is so nice. I love this. Now I need to do both. How do you open? Oh, behind it's somehow magnetic, where you just pull and then open, and voila, you have, I don't know, I love it. I actually do love this. Now I need to also do TikToks unboxing these things away. It's a lot of work. Maybe I'll do TikToks another day, but for today this is what we have. Anyway, the first one is this, which I need to pack and arrange every box. Just unbox the second one. I am not sure what this is. What is this? Okay, oh my gosh. This, I believe, is the expandable the expandable cutlery holder. Wow, it's finally here as well. Love this so far. Next up, guys, this is my business name ish, and this is the number that you can reach us on. Anyway, these are mats that have arrived, and they're more wrapped like this. These ones are like 50 pieces inside here. So yeah, I have like 4 of these that I haven't unboxed, and I won't unbox with you because we have unboxed one before with you guys, but I'll show you the different ones when I'm able to. Maybe not in this video, maybe in another video, because I have like 25 boxes. Some are huge, some are like the one that I have already unboxed, but yeah, this is now the third one. And then we have this one, the fourth one, I believe. Oh, okay. Let me unbox and then show you. Okay guys, I hope you don't mind this lighting, but this is what we have here. The soap dispensers, they come packaged really well inside here. So yes, we have that one in the other box. Kumbe, I wasn't talking. So we have this other one, it's in the other box, came with this box, and then this is how the white one looks like. We have brought this one before in black, and it was actually cute, but I feel like white is even cuter. And this looks like it's not matte. The black one was matte. This one looks shiny. So we have that. It's a sink candle. So this one, you place it down here to collect the water in case there's any water. So it looks like that. Oh, guys, I've even forgotten that I was recording because I'm super frustrated right now. Don't mind how I look. I am sweating. I am super, literally so sweaty right now. Anyway, I had 25 boxes, right? 25. The guy came, dropped these goods, and then because of city council they had to go because we didn't have parking. During evening hours there is no parking because of hawkers who put their things across the street kwenye kuna parking yani. Now he had to go. and he has my boxes, like about 7 boxes. So I'm here like asking the guys, why didn't you get packing? Because I had already told them that there's a guy who's coming. They usually get me packing, and there was packing, but they didn't want to ask the hawkers to like move kando. So I'm so frustrated right now. I've even forgotten that I was recording. I'm just from talking to the taxi guy. He's telling me that he has to go and bring the things maybe tomorrow very early in the morning, and he has gone to do another job because of city council and because we didn't give him parking. So right now I don't even know what is in that. So yeah, on the other hand, the choppers are here for your electric handheld cooking hammer. It's a food chopper though, but yeah, I'm gonna unbox all these things, so keep on following. Maybe you can subscribe so that you can see everything that I bring, because I also do home vlogs and vlogs in general. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how these ones look like once I get to cooking and maybe unboxing in the house. We see how everything looks like. I have so many boxes at home that I haven't unboxed, so I will do all that. But yeah, I'm even going out of breath. But let's, okay, the store is so full. I need all these boxes. There are boxes here. We do pack so many packages for guys who come to shop in bulk, so we can throw away these boxes. Now I'm wondering where we are going to keep them, because there are so many and I need space. And then my camera and the battery is at home, it's dying. Guy, what to do? Let me just hurry up. So this is the other item. Not sure what it is, but okay, this one looks like an organizer. It's oh, this is the calendar. Came with this, and it has some other items. I'm gonna unbox with you all when I'm able to in another vlog. Guys, you all don't even understand. I wasn't even gonna post again. I'm gonna take a video again, but we have bigger kitchen, not kitchen mats, bathroom mats, which have arrived, and oh my goodness, they are rubber. It's the same quality as the other one, but now these ones are bigger. So guys, they are cute. Now the problem is the lighting in this store. It's horrible. It's horrible. But I'm gonna take one to the shop to show you. So that's what I am. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Wow. Wow, the other one that I have loved. Well, I have also loved this one, but this one is also so cute. So beautiful. So I'm just trying to look, because they have a paper. One can step on this and get something that they need to get. So even though it's on the way, it won't really nothing will really happen to it. So yay. And then there's one more thing that I need to show you that I have seen has arrived. Like what? So here is the difference of the way they come packed, as you can see, and that is the other one. Like, there's a very huge difference. This is really big, and that, yeah, that size. I have managed to come back to the shop, and this one is expandable. As you can see, it's really huge after expanding it. Wow. And then I've just told you I'd show you the difference of this one. Let's see how this looks like. It's so huge. And then there's this one. It's really huge. I just brought it to show you guys. So this is the other item that just arrived, which is the one to pack your trousers in or organize tissues. So yeah, you can organize tissues, trousers and stuff like that in your bathroom, in your wardrobes, even shirts and t-shirts and blah blah blah, so many things. It's not limited. So we have that, and then we have this egg storage organizer that yeah, this is how it's supposed to actually look. You just insert your eggs and then you remove them. You can put it in the fridge and stuff like that. It's actually really huge and pretty at the same time, and it also had colors. This calendar also just arrived. We haven't connected it well, but it shows you the month from January to December, and then here it has the zeros, the 1, the 2 and the 3. 3 is the largest number. Oh, this is 1, there's 2 and there's 3. So when it's 30th, you just put 3 and 0, but the way we had put it, it's supposed to be like that, 05, since today is January 5th, and then this one has from 0 to 9. So let's assume we need January 29th. That's a very special day for me. And then you look for 9, and then you have it like that. Now if you have an office, if you have a home, this is perfect for your console ama kuekelea tu juu ya office, your office table. So this is really nice. Wow, I like. Thing is, it's different from the ones that light up. I thought it would come with the one that lights up huku chini, but this one doesn't. It's really simple but cute at the same time. Love it. Oh, it has this one as well that is supposed to screw somewhere. Mama, you just place it there. It's like a kabea. And yeah, that's about it. That's about it. You're supposed to screw it somewhere. It's a sticker. Okay, it comes with a sticker that you can stick either here, and then it's oh, okay, it adds to the look. Really nice. Love it. So now guys, it's time to go home. It's actually past time. It's 20 to 7, and I need to go home and rest, and then I'm gonna update guys tomorrow, because today the way I feel, because of all the arranging and stuff like that, yeah, I'm gonna update guys tomorrow. So hey guys, so it's actually the next day after we were in the store, so now we are in the shop. Let's see if we can fit a few of these things here in the shop, and then if there's something that won't fit, to kimbisha kwa store. But first off, the guy has brought the goods. It's currently, I think, 11 something, and I was in town by 9, so I thought he would be here earlier, but oh well, he's here finally. And then first up, we have these organizers for your panties, for your bras, for your wardrobe. They look like this. This is a 3-piece set. I'm gonna leave a picture here of how they look like. It's mesh like, yeah. And we have this, we have it also in gray. This is gray, the other one was black, and I think a beige. Yeah, there's also a beige. So that's the first box. We are gonna offload it, well, pack it and keep it aside, and then open another box. This is the second box. I'm not sure what this is, because the packaging of these things is almost the same. This is the 2-tier rotatable Lazy Susan. You can place your perfumes here. You can place, okay, this is cute, and I like the quality, but it's acrylic. Yeah. We have another box for the soap palm, the one that has, yeah. So this is how these ones look like. Two, there's black, and all black and black and white. Okay, that's how they look like. So the next box has a few pieces of this humidifier. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So we can open one and see how it looks like. So it also came with this charger and this to humidify. So it's 300 ml. Oh, this is an extra one. In fact, there's one inside already. So when it's lit, that's how it looks like, and that's how it humidifies. So it's so cute, by the way. So let's put some essential oil, see how it's gonna look like. The essential oil is peppermint. Can't focus, but you just put a few drops, like 2 drops. Yeah, and then we wait for it to work. Smells good already. Oh, where? Wow. Okay. Wow, wax. So some other boxes have things that I already unboxed yesterday, like the egg storage, like the soap pump. What else just arrived? But the ones that were remaining were 7 boxes, and this is the last one, which is the 3-tier Lazy Susan, which there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Now this was the huge size, it wasn't the small one, and I think I had ordered about 15 or 20 of each design, and that's about it. Let me go to the store and then keep the other things there, because we don't need everything here in the shop. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, comment, and yeah, share if you like this video, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.